Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who believe in the power of natural ingredients like me, I am back with a very interesting and useful DIY skincare remedy in these hot summer days. This DIY remedy can immediately brighten up your tired and dull looking skin and keep it hydrated, moisturized and glowing. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So the first remedy which I am gonna share is to make a pure rose water. So first of all, remove the rose petals and then we will carefully rinse them to get rid of any dust or critters. Then to prepare this, we will need an empty saucepan with a cover or a lid. Keep a bowl at the center of an empty saucepan and we will add the rose petals around the bowl. Make sure there is no petals or water in the bowl as we will collect the rose water in that bowl. Add approx 2 big glasses of water and switch on the gas to low flame. Pure rose water is made by distillation, so this remedy is an infusion. The infusion of rose petals have list of beauty benefits go on and on. Make sure to cover the lid upside down. For this remedy, we will need organic or homegrown rose petals. Please don't use the ones which are available at grocery store or any supermarkets as most of them are sprayed with insecticides and fungicides that can be harmful. Do take note that the lid should be covered if there is any open holes, as the cover will catch the rose water vapor for this distilling method. And now take out some ice. Then we will add this ice to the top of the saucepan cover. As soon as the ice melts, we will add some more ice cubes. This helps with the condensation of the evaporated water. The whole process will take around 25 to 30 minutes. Once it is done, let it cool down first. Then remove the bowl. Now your pure rose water is ready. As you can see, the water is collected in the bowl, so this is the pure rose water. So this is the excess water which is left. Now I'm gonna strain the water with the help of a strainer. Now you can see the beautiful pink colored water. So we can transfer this rose water in a clean spray bottle once it is completely cools down. You can store this rose water in a fridge for up to 4 to 5 months. So now what we gonna do with this excess rose water? Don't worry guys, we are not gonna throw this. Instead we will make best use of this. So we gonna make rose facial cubes with this rose water. So let's see how to make this rose facial cubes. So let's start the process. So first of all, our rose water is already ready, and now I'm gonna wash the aloe vera pieces properly and take out the inside gel out of it. We all know how good is aloe vera gel for our skin. It not only makes our skin soft, but it has many skin benefits and also helps to heal sunburn and gives instant relief. Now the next ingredient which I am using is the organic naturals raw honey from Australia. You can use any honey, but make sure it is organic. Now honey is very good for our skin. It hydrates, moisturizes and tightens skin pores for clear complexion. Honey is rich in antioxidants. It's antibacterial and has enzyme activity that helps make your skin glow. We will add a half spoon of honey in the blender or any food processor. Blend it until you will get the watery consistency. Then this gel we will add it in our rose water. Now take an ice tray and we will add some rose petals in it first, and then I'm gonna add this mixture in the ice tray. These facial cubes are very easy to make, and the ingredients we have used to make these facial cubes will work like a wonders on your skin, and you will see an amazing results on your skin. These ice cubes are the stars. It is very easy to make and extremely versatile, and you will see the amazing results on your skin. A face massage with this rose facial ice cubes not only exfoliate your skin, but it also helps to brighten your complexion by boosting circulation. Fill it properly and we are ready. Look at the ice tray. It looks so beautiful with the rose petals added in it. Store it in the refrigerator to increase the shelf life. So we will leave it in the refrigerator for about 5 hours. So now look at the ice cubes, they are ready to use, and I am gonna transfer it into my glass bowl. I am in love with these beautiful ice cubes. The ingredients which we use to make this will not only brighten up your skin, but it has antioxidant and anti-aging properties. So now that they are ready, so just rub these ice cubes gently on your face and wash it off with normal water after 20 to 30 minutes. So now I have applied gently on all over my face. I will set a timer for about 20 to 30 minutes and wash it off with normal water. Now you can see the instant glow on my face. My face look refreshed, hydrated and soft. So now I just spray this homemade rose toner on my face, and once it dry I will moisturize my face with my favorite moisturizer, and I am done. Rose toner helps hydrate, revitalize and moisturize the skin. Rose water is a natural remedy for many skin problems. It helps to maintain the skin's pH level. You can also use as a makeup mist which can be sprayed over makeup to set your makeup. I hope this DIY remedy is useful for everyone. Do try it at home. You will see wonderful result if you use it every day. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe down below and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new video on my channel, you will get notified. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye. Take care.